Program number 6. Write code to create a series object using 3 different words. Vindhya is singing. Assume that pandas is imported as alias name PD. So 3 different words is given. Vindhya is singing. So first you have to import pandas means module as PD. Now next line, S6 equal to this string we have to convert as a series data type. S6 equal to PD dot series. Now series bracket is parenthesis. Now multiple string has given. So now I am using as a list. So in the list, within the quotation, first word is Vindhya, put the comma for differentiate with the different word is, then comma, again quotation, write singing. Done. Now call to the print command. Print S6. Okay. Run it. Output generated 0 index Vindhya, 1 place is and 2 index singing. So this is the output. Now just copy this command and I am using now with the tuple bracket means parenthesis. Okay, let's see the output. This one we have to comment it, otherwise this is also will come as output. Okay, both are same. So list and tuple, both you can use it. Now another, here I am not using any list, any parenthesis, means any list, any tuple. Now see, third one. Okay, in the series bracket I have written Vindhya is singing. What happened? Error generated. Which type of error? Type error, index. Why? Because why index? Type error. In this series, with the index value will generate. Now here 3 value has given, 3 different word has given, means 3 value has given, and 0 index which data will store. This is the confusion of the system. So that is why we required. So this is the hashtag, put it, index error. So that is why whenever multiple string value is there, number is there, so then we required list or tuple bracket. Both are correct method.